Hello YouTube. So in the last tutorial we have used this script to create one database in MySQL server. And what is the situation if you need multiple databases? So obviously you will say, no problem, I'm just going to copy this line down there a couple of times. It depends how many times you need specific databases to create. But you don't have any kind of error checking here, even rudimentary. So naturally you will say, well, cool, I'm just gonna add here time module, and then down there I will just say, for example, time.sleep for, I don't know, 10 seconds or 2 seconds. It depends how much your server is under the pressure, or I don't know what you're basically doing. Maybe you're creating some kind of your own framework or something like that. So every time when you execute one command to create database, you will basically wait for a specific amount of seconds, because this is in seconds, not in a minute. And yeah, this will work. So if this is the first time watching this video, just note I'm gonna go really quickly through these lines of code. To hook from Python to MySQL server, you need to use MySQL connector, and you're gonna grab that if you don't have it by using this line, pip install MySQL connector Python. Okay, so after that we are just defining here what is our address and of server, and then what kind of user you're using, and what is the password for that user. Now I'm using here root and stupid password, but it will get the job done because this is testing machine. Then here, I mean in idle, in report, I'm just printing what I have from this, and then I'm using db handle to establish kinda virtual manual cursor in terminal, like this. Okay, so something like this. So when you type cursor here, it's like you have cursor right there, something like that. Now when I execute this command, which is obviously dedicated for creation of database, I will create this one, only one address. So that's basically what this script do, and it will work. Anyway, back to objective. So let's say you have a couple of these databases and you want to simplify your life. Well, what you can do is sure, you can use time sleep, but let me go with the for loop. So first we need to create what kind of bases we want to create, like their names. Let's say bases equals, and this is a list, and I'm just gonna type here names for, I don't know, I made this thing up, like these are just names for future databases. Slavoj Žižek and Jordan Peterson, something like that. So down there we'll use for loop, like for specific x or any of those individually in where bases. Okay, this is name of list. We will execute this command individually. So let me just grab it, and I'm gonna put it here and change it a bit. So create database, and you need to have a little bit of space here to not create problems, and then use double quotes, and then add here that specific x that represents all these individually. Okay, so after that, if you like, you can use also some kind of pause. Let's say maybe I don't know, yeah, 1 second is for testing purposes enough. So now the status in server is like this: show databases, and I have 4 default databases. Now when I execute this, okay, let's run this module. Oh, it's another monitor. So when it gets the job done, here I will see the prompt, so it's 8 seconds. There you go. Now I need to have 4 new databases here. Okay, so show databases, and there you go. So maybe this little script of mine will help you to automatize tasks. Please note there is no any kind of smart error checking here, just raw stuff that will get the job done. So yeah, you can grab names of files, grab names of databases from file, from keyboard, from remote sockets. I don't know. You can grab it in so many ways. You can create graphical interfaces to grab it and such a thing. So yeah, that's pretty much it in this video, and I don't want to go to 10 or 15 minutes of tutorial because that can be a long time. People, most of us in IT doesn't have too much patience. So so I'm gonna create dedicated videos for files, extraction of named databases, and also for entering stuff from keyboard like in idle. And yeah, so that's the tasks for couple of next tutorials. So if you wanna delete these databases, you'll say drop database Slavoy and also Zizek. And why I can't delete Zizek? Where is that? I don't see Zej. Oh, sorry about that. So wrong name. Who cares? This is just testing machine. What a disrespect to Mr. Zizek. And Jordan and Peterson and show database to check what's up, and that's guys pretty much it. So thank you for watching, for being with me all this time. It's a little bit late in the evening. I don't know how to speak and type properly, so sorry about that. Yeah, I'm gonna shut up and see you next tutorial.